Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to check login activity on Instagram app. For that you need to launch your Instagram mobile application and then you need to tap on your profile icon in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Afterwards you need to tap on these three horizontal lines in the top right hand corner and then you need to tap on account center. In the account center you are going to see this section which says account settings. So in the account settings you need to tap on the option of password and security. In the password and security, you need to select the option which says where you are logged in, and once you tap on it, it will show you your account as well as it will show you your device. So over here, you need to tap on the username of your Instagram account and then it will show you your account login activity on this page. It will show you your device's location and previously in which device and in which location it was logged in. So over here, if you want to log out of any of the devices mentioned over here, then you need to select that device and after that you need to tap on logout button and then you need to confirm the logout. So this is how you can easily check login activity on Instagram app. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.